Pie chart in Google Forms. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning on how you can create a pie chart in Google Form in the easiest and most simplest way. So basically, to start things off, if you actually want to get into creating a pie chart into your Google Form, what you're going to want to do is obviously you're going to go ahead and create a blank form. Now in this blank form, obviously we have all these, features and details to add. If you want to go ahead and add a proper pie chart, what are you going to need to do? Basically, to, actually create a pie chart out of all of the details and responses, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come here and whatever responses you have, you're going to click on create or link to sheet. Now, whenever you go ahead and link to sheet, it's going to give you the unified responses in your Google Forms in the form of Google Sheets. Okay, you're going to see all those analytics down here. Now, once those analytics are appeared over here, what you can do is you can choose the boxes that you want a Google form to be created in, or you want a pie chart to be created in. Like, let's say I'm going to choose these two. I'm going to click on insert, and now you can choose chart. Okay. And now that we choose chart, as you can see, it says add a series to start visualizing your data. So, add whatever series you want, add proper values. You're going to need to make sure that you do have values, because without values, you will not see a proper pie chart. But yeah, this is basically the main idea on how a pie chart can be added to our Google Forms in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.